Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Today I'm just going to show you a video of me making the Christmas cake last year for Christmas along with my granddaughter. This recipe is featured in my cookery book, the Anglo-Indian festive hamper, but I'll also give you the recipe in the description. And it's a very easy fruit cake to make. So what you need is flour, brown sugar and powdered sugar. Then you need eggs, butter and milk. Spice powder, nutmeg, baking powder and essence. So first you break the eggs in a bowl and beat them well. Then you keep this aside. Meanwhile, you sift the flour with your salt and baking powder. Keep this also aside. So now you cream your butter and sugar really well. It should come up into soft peaks. The more you cream it, the softer your cake would come out. And see, these are ingredients just for like 500 grams of flour that I'm giving you, but I have increased the amount to suit me. So meanwhile, once it's creamed well, you add in your beaten eggs. Then mix it well, and then now what you do is you drain the fruit from your liquor and add the fruit to this mixture. Okay, so mix it in well. So once you've mixed it well, slowly add in your flour a little bit at a time. So as you add in the flour, you just fold it in. You fold in the flour, really gently. And now you add all the other ingredients to your batter and you transfer the batter to your greased cake tins. I've made a lot of little cakes because I wanted to give our friends. So that's why there are so many little tins. And you can see that we have not filled the batter to the brim. It should be only half because it needs a place to rise. So now all our cakes are ready to go into the oven. So you preheat your oven for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees and you bake for 1 hour at 180 degrees or till a toothpick comes out clean. And now you can see that our Christmas cakes are ready, hot from the oven. So leave it aside to cool. So if you like this video, please like and share it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell all your friends as well. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas and a bright and prosperous New Year. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.